Hello everyone. The suspended public protector advocate Busisiwe and her legal team will push for a secret ballot when the National Assembly votes on whether to impeach her. On Tuesday, head advocate Mpofu told the Section 194 committee considering her fitness to hold office will be necessary because his client needed protection from the voting cattle syndrome of instinctive crowd behavior to ensure people voted with their consciences. The inquiry began 4 months ago and the evidence leaders have called 18 witnesses. It is now Mkwebane's turn to call her witnesses in the defense of the 4 charges against her. Mpofu has brought 6 applications in attempt to scoop up proceedings and said in his opening address the past 4 months had been quite an ordeal, including what he alleged were countless constitutional violations against his client. He took exception to committee chair Obudile Leganki's admonishments about attacks on parliament staff. He said, "We have had the temerity to say members should not attack the legal staff if they don't like the message. But we get attacked here, left, right and center. We have been insulted on Twitter and have appealed to you to protect us. Will you protect us and the PP? Must we be insulted? Or are you the chair for the evidence leaders and the parliamentary staff? Be that as it may, we are here and we will see this through. We are more than ready and keen to see the finality of this and to see the public protector giving her side of the story." He said most of the complaints focused on HR issues and had been raised by disgruntled employees. It's a mixed bag management of deadlines and backlogs, allegations of harassment, victimization, and intimidation. Impressions of her as a leader. Mpofu said he will call an expert witness to testify about legal concepts, including the duty of the committee and the chair. That same witness will speak about the status of court judgment against Mqwebane and whether they were binding or she was entitled to bring evidence to refute whatever prima facie evidence might be contained in them. Advocate Mqwebane is expected to call her first witness, South African Roadies Association head Freddy Nyathela, in whose favor Mqwebane found in a case against the National Arts Council. The committee will sit until December 5, with the exception of Friday, before adjourning until January next year. What's your take on this case, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.